It's time for Remodel Minute, sponsored by Kalen Schmidt Design.
Renovating your kitchen is an easy way to add value to your home, but can be one of the hardest to get right. Instead of the old kitchen triangle, try planning zones for prepping, cooking, cleaning, and storage that support your routine. Prioritize cabinets, counter space, and organization first, then layer in stylish finishes. Using layered lighting will improve functionality and ambiance. Some parts of a renovation can be DIY friendly, but consider a professional for electrical, plumbing, and cabinetry installation. Always set aside a contingency fund of at least 10 to 15% of your total budget for any surprises along the way. Balancing beauty and practicality will result in a beautiful kitchen that stands the test of time.
Offering contractor and interior design services, Kalen Schmidt Design has the expertise for all your renovation, design, and decorating needs. Let us help you design a home you love and will be proud to show off.